Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn HTML links. A links or hyperlink is a connection from one web resource to another. Links allow user to move one page to another or any server to another world on the internet. This and like this. And anchor tag, by default it has color blue, but when we visit its color is purple, like I am going to show you. A tag has main attribute href. This is called link. We put a link there. We copy any link from internet, like I'm going to copy the link of my channel and I am going to paste here. Here I write Creative Barber, my channel name, and I am going to load this file into browser. I load this file into browser. See, there is a name Creative Barber, my channel name. When I click here, it will goes on my channel. Here we can put any link, like I click it one time, its color is now purple, and when it is active then it is red. Like when I click it, it is little red. This is active. So HTML is links always start from a tag and end with a tag, like I show you. It has attribute href, which is called links URL, and here we can put a new link that's called target, and target and equal to double colons. And why we use target? The target attributes tells the browser where to open the links document. There are 4 defined targets, and each target name start with underscore character: blank, parent, self, top. So we mostly use self, but if we want to open a tab into new window, then we use blank. Open the link document into new window or tab, that's we use blank. Open the links document into parent window, then we use parent. And if we open the link document in the same window or tab at the source document, then it's called self. If open the link document into browser window, then it's called top. So if I put here underscore and link here blank, then if I click on Creative Barber, then it will open new window. And if I put empty, then by default is self. So here I'm gonna show you some code. Like if we want to link a ID, like creating a bookmark anchor, like I'm going to show you. Like I created this website. It's going to open. It may take little time. I'm going to show you example of ID link. My internet connection is slow, therefore it's taking little time. Like until we create a new thing. Like I delete this one and I put a tag and close with a tag, and here put href, and here I put home. Here I'm left and black, so I control D 3 times. Here I put about, and here I put contact, and under this I am going to make a div is a blank tag, like block tag. It allows to create a new block into browser. So I close it with div. I assign an ID here, ID, and ID is H is home. So if we want to open this ID with home link, then we copy the name of ID and here we add hash and then paste ID, and here we put some text. And always we put text into p tag called paragraph tag. So I am going to open, like we are going to create like this. See, this is scrolling website. We will create like this. I am going to copy some text from here. It's creating some little problem. I'm going to copy from here and paste it there. Paste it multiple times, and that's enough. And see what is happening, like it is showing like that. So I want to adjust this div into center, so I put a style tag into header tag, style, and here I call the div. All divs have width 30% of the total window and margin is auto. When we give a when we give a width of to document and put a margin auto, then automatically it comes in the center of window like this. I hope you understand. I am copying this text again and I am going to put into p tag again like this. This is full document. So I am going to duplicate this div, adjust it, and again now I am going to copy this div, then this and this. I change the ID about, I copy this and put it this and add hashtag, then contact, copy the name here and put it here and put it here. You can assign any name to ID, but make sure if you want to open home ID, then you link a same div to the right menu like this. If we click on about, then it open to the about, but we can't understand which is about. Here I am putting heading home, and I am going to copy it, put here and call it about, copy it again, and here we call it contact. Now we will understand how it is work. So this is working like that. So if I click on home, then it here. If I click on about, then it scroll the home ID. If I click on contact, then it scroll contact ID. That's how links and anchor tags work in HTML. I hope you understand. I am going to give you an assignment. You have to come on my channel link like Creative Babbar and come to this playlist HTML and CSS projects and watch this video and watch this video. And if you watch complete, then comment into description. I will send you these menus source code. It will help you to create nav bar. Like you will understand how anchor tag exactly work. But now you have, I hope you understand, friends. that is the lecture of today, and next day we will discuss something new. So bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.